Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Ooh. Fuck yeah. Ooh. Fuck yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Hmm. 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 Everybody loves 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 Okay, this is how I sound. This is how I sound. Hmm. Hmm. All right. We're in business, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna go live. Fucking HTPC. Fuck up, mate. Hmm. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, we're live. We're live. So, here's the plan. First of all, give me one more second. Just gotta make sure that my thingy is configured properly. General advanced. Uh, recording. Oh Jesus, what the fuck is this? Where's Matroska? Matroska. Matroska. Okay, we are back in business, ladies and gentlemen. This time I am recording. Let's see. Open source. There we go. Open source drawing software for explaining stuff. Excalibur. I'm pretty sure it was Excalibur, right? Let's see. Yeah, close enough. Um, Alright, much better. My thing enabled yet? That would be open tablet driver. There we go. So, I'm gonna be working on vid. Oh my god. It has pressure. Oh no. Ah, that's much better. Okay. So, the idea is, how do I do text? Is that text? Yeah. VidSplicer. So, what's VidSplicer going to do? There's this project called Jump Cutter, which basically takes videos. Imagine this is a timeline for a video, right? And this is like a part of it that's silent. And then this is another silent part. Alright. So the idea is VidSplicer is going to do what Jump Cutter does, like in the exact same way, but it's going to be more configurable and it's going to do it in like a single run, and it won't save anything to memory like a temp directory while it's working on it. Because the way Jump Cutter works is it decodes each frame and then it decodes each frame and then analyzes the audio and then uses those decoded frames, which it saves as PNGs and recombines it all together. What I want VidSplicer to do is do it all in one go and without saving anything to anywhere. That's the plan. Let's see. So basically, at the end, it'll be more like that. And then original video, and then processed video. That's how it's gonna work, right? Don't take drugs, kids. Do not take drugs. So that's the basic premise, and now we're gonna work on it. Right now, there's literally nothing. This is the first video slash live stream, depending on how you're watching it. So right now, I'm kind of what's the word? Not confused. Jesus Christ. Word for when you're conflicted between two choices. Right now, I'm unsure whether I should use Zig or Rust or Python. So I have experience in Rust, like very little experience, but I have experience. And then I have a lot more experience in Python, but I kind of want a change. I don't want to use Python. So really, it's a choice between Zig and Rust. So we're gonna do some research, right? Zig FFmpeg and Rust FFmpeg. Let's just see what we have. So this is these are safe bindings for Rust for FFmpeg. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Hmm. codec. Jesus Christ. This shit's complicated. Okay, FFmpeg user manual. Oh my god. Jesus Christ, there's so much documentation. My god. Whoa. That's cool. For some reason, when I press this button on my drawing tablet, it mutes the desktop audio. It's probably binded to key that OBS is binded to. Builds a transcoding pipeline out of the components listed below. Okay, perfect. Audio resampling, blah blah blah. Okay. This is probably the one I want. Decoding. I'm just gonna disable the dark mode. Okay. How does this relate to docs.rs? So codec, decoder. Okay, that's fine. See, what does open do? Is there any documentation? No. Okay, so we have to read this and then, Jesus Christ. Get buffer, blah blah blah. Receive frame, send frame. That's not fun. What? This is not. This is not what I see. Is the two documentations do not match. So, and you know, talking while thinking is really hard. So streaming by extension is harder. Let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty good. Okay. What actually I could do? Yeah, I think I am. I'm gonna do a little open. I'm gonna move that over here, move that there. Yeah, it looks better. This gotta stay open or my stream is gonna stop. It's cool. Okay. Let's see. Hmm. Examples. Yes. Decode. No, decode video. Yes. Okay. It's not that complicated. Where's main? There we go. AV codec. Name of the codec implementation. Okay. Whatever. Okay. Wait, what? Huh. It's not defined. Okay, we're just gonna assume that they are defined. Let's see. AV parser context. Jesus Christ. This shit is complicated. Fuck my life. Okay, I don't think it really matters what we use at the end of the day. It's gonna be fucking complicated. Or, I mean, it's complicated. Maybe it's complicated because I don't know how to use FFmpeg as a library yet. So, we'll see. We will see. We will see. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. Continue, continue, continue. Let us continue. Okay. AV input buffer padding size. Okay, whatever. Hmm. What? But it's a const. It's a const. Okay, I guess you can set consts once. Consts. Okay. Hmm. Okay, okay, okay. AV packet alloc. Yeah, okay. Set end of buffer to 0, doesn't matter for us. Set f mp1. Yeah, of course. Just put a 3 at the end of the function. Fuck my life. What's the difference? Yeah, Jesus Christ. Why is there a 3? My God. This and multiple versions. The rest of the versions no longer exist. And it's just there to make sure the changes break whatever you're working on. Could not allocate. Okay, so let's see. First, you allocate a packet, which I don't think we have to do in Rust. Then the buffer stuff, maybe we have to do that. Then we get the codec. Okay, parser init, AVL codec. Okay. Some codecs such as this height must be initialized because this information is not in the bit stream. Okay. So you open it with the codec. AV codec open. Okay, finally we open the file frame. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Do while. Okay, okay, okay. That's pretty good. Read data, fread, buffer size, yeah. Use the parser to split the data into frames. The data is input buffer, and while data size greater than 0 and not or end of file. Okay, ret. Parser. What the fuck is a parser? Jesus Christ. Parser. Ah, okay. Correct. Okay. And this and that. Let me just parser context, codec context. Out buff size. Christ. Jesus Christ. Packet. Okay, what does this mean? Jesus Christ, man. What the fuck is this? Just gonna ask AI to explain. This is a C code. What does do? Oh, okay, okay. It's like dots but with pointers. Okay, okay. Great. Why is that in Chinese? What the fuck is going on? What does this mean? Tell me in English. Okay, now Latinize. Fine. Region. Fuck that. Okay, so you want the packet data and the packet size. Okay, that makes sense, but can yeah, you give it the data and the data size. Wait, what? Oh, parser output buffer size. Okay, 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 okay. And then no PTS. Okay, PTS. What is PTS? Effort like yes. My head hurts. And somehow half an hour has passed.
Jesus. Bro, these guys working on video stuff are cracked. They are a whole different beast. My God. Error while parsing. Okay, whatever. Okay. Ret. Hmm. Okay. Ah, right. Data is the pointer, so you can do that. Okay. 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 So you're doing all of that until you decode something, right? Or why are we decoding to an output file name? What the hell? Oh my God. How to learn the FFmpeg library? Isn't that good? Oh my God, man. Right. No. No. Learn that the hard way. Jesus Christ, what is this? Come to our library of command line and development tutorials for the FFmpeg audio and video codec program. Core libraries, all of that shit, yeah. Hmm. Yes. In Chinese, of course. Okay. What's Wiki one? Hmm. I like the site. Yeah, it's an okay idea, okay. Yeah, don't care, don't care. Okay. Codec container. I get that. Okay. Okay. And okay. 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 So oh my god. Basically useless. The whole thing was fucking useless. You knew. Oh, okay. Okay. If you have a sequence series of images and change them at a given frequency, let's say da 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 da, it will create an illusion of movement. In summary, this is the very basic idea behind a video, a series of pictures slash frames running at a given rate. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Codec. Yes. Okay. Codec is an electronic circuit or software that compresses or decompresses digital. I know what this is. Let's see. Total of pixels per frame, cost per pixel, time in seconds. Okay, 30 minutes, yeah. So they require storage, yeah. Comfy place for audio and video. Container or wrapper format is a meta file format. Translating. Okay, there we go. This is the important shit. This is what I came here for. Where's my wait, hold up, my desktop audio was there we go. Okay. Hmm. No one is fucking watching my stream. I am fucking pissed. I am fucking Nemo. Whoa. Nemo. Okay, I'll be right back, chat. I will return. I need more coffee. Um, no one is watching my live stream. I am so pissed. I am very pissed. But I mean, when I'm streaming is kind of useless. So completely makes sense. Anyways, back programming or learning the library. Fuck my life. Okay. Okay. Whatever. Hmm. 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 Oh. Yes. What we can do is we can look at the example code later on if we need help for a video player written in whatever language that we're going to be writing it in, and then it'll speed up development. Let's see. So what is this? Hmm. Okay, let's see, let's see. So basically, I'm gonna learn two things in one go if I pick Zig and FFmpeg. But that's almost true with anything, so I swear to God, bro. Okay, we're gonna need testing, right? Hmm. 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 Rust versus Rust versus Zig. Let's see. Let's see. Hmm. Memory safety without a garbage collector. Yeah. Fearless concurrency, no race conditions. Yeah. Performance comparable to C/C++. Yeah. Rich ecosystem and tooling. Cargo Clippy Rust Analyzer. Where is Rust used? Linux kernel development, game engines used in parts of Bevy, WebAssembly, WASM, super lightweight web applications, blockchain and cryptography, Ethereum, Solana, and Polkadot use Rust. Embedded systems, memory safety without runtime overhead. Rust is safe, fast, and arguably perfect for large applications. Is it too complex for some developers? This is where Zig comes in. Wow, amazing, gorgeous. I like Rust, which has strict borrowing rules and a complex compiler. Zig focuses on simplicity, performance, and manual memory management. What is excited? What? Hello, grammar error. Hello, hello, grammar. No garbage collector, no runtime overhead. Manual memory management, more control than Rust. Cool. Compile time, memory safety, without Rust's borrow checker complexity. Interrupt with C/C++, easier than Rust. Hmm. Scheiße. Zig, Zig, Zig. I... Yeah, let's see. FFmpeg, Zig library. But wait, no. No, 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 no. Okay. Shit. Zig can use Zig can use FFIs directly from the C, right? So if we do this, if we do this, it's basically gonna take a lot from the examples that we have. So if we do it in Rust, we use the Rust rate, which has, I think, arguably better, which it'll give us arguably better classes. FFmpeg zig. What difference? What is the difference? What is the difference? Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ. Okay, okay, okay. Let's see. Okay, we don't really need that anyway. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. 26 years of FFmpeg. 26 years. Christ almighty. We have been streaming for 15 minutes. And I am no closer. I actually am closer. Okay. Honestly, we'll figure out the language. No, we need to figure out the language now. Oh, fucking hell. Spin the wheel. Zig, rust, zig, rust, zig, rust, zig, rust, zig, rust, zig, rust. Alright, what's gonna win? Guess what, chat? Guess what? We're gonna do it in zig. And now, let's see. Between rust, 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 and rust, who's gonna win? There you have it, folks. Rust comes in second place. Okay, wait. I just gotta see who's the worst person. Okay, clearly the wheel is wrong. So, yeah. I don't know if it's reliable for this for actual answers, but it has chosen for us Rust. So It has chosen Rust for, I mean, the fuck, why did I say Rust? I mean Zig. Okay, so that means we're gonna have to fucking learn from how to use Zig. Okay. No, no, and no, no, yes, yes, yes. But what? Whoa, whoa. 17 years ago? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Okay. Okay. Let's get started. Team ups. Okay there. What should I be? That's your name. Let's see. Let's enter in 3, 2. Oh wait. Before we do that, let's go learn. Overview. Alright. Small, simple language. Focus on debugging your application, debugging your programming language. Oh, focus on. My goodness. I don't know what that is, but yeah, no, we're not getting into that. I am not ranked as a programmer. Control group. I dropped something. I dropped this. Oh my god. It's gonna I'm gonna do a little bit of therapeutic drawing. Okay, therapy. What's the rapey? Therapy is the rapey. Yeah. There's no hidden control flow, no hidden memory allocation, no preprocessor, and no macros. If the code doesn't look like it's jumping away to call a function, then it isn't. This means you can be sure that the following code only calls foo and then bar. Okay. Okay, so Zig doesn't have operator overloading, which, yeah, I mean, operator overloading is pretty useful. So I don't know why they don't have it. Hmm. Okay, anyway. What the fuck does unadorned mean? Okay. Unadorned zig pointers cannot be nulled. Zoom in at this point because I am tired of reading this shit. Okay. Well, I'll that view. The full provided the bulk. Okay. Okay, that's unwrapping it. Okay, that's cool. Jesus Christ. They is a complex language, that's for sure. But every language is complex. Anyway. I don't get it. I don't get it just yet what a differ is. Let me just check something. Shit. We're out of disk space. We're almost out of disk space. QDIR stat. Give me like a minute. I would like to delete some stuff to free up space for this shit. Okay, this video is basically just Okay, this video is not so useless. This one is, so we're just gonna do a bit of deletion. Okay, we have way more free disk space now. Nice. We need to figure out what to do with the rest later. Okay, we're back. We're back. What was these? What was these? Okay, screw that. Okay. Just checking here. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna go live. Check out my stream. audio stream, audio stream, audio stream, audio stream, audio stream. I think I can hear myself. 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 Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep the train going. Oh yeah. Zig is better at using C libraries than C is at using C libraries. Dilemma. Good. That's nice. That's nice. A fresh take on error handling. Errors are values and may not be ignored. Hmm. The type of the right-hand side of the binary catch operator must match the wrapped unwrapped error union type. Jesus Christ, what the fuck is a block? Okay, that's it? Okay, that's just... This syntax is weird. The fuck is an error union expression? Error and union, right? Let's try to put these together and see what it means. Error and union. Maybe it's an expression where it handled the error. I don't know. I like the syntax. This is pretty nice syntax. Still at it. Wow. You know what? I'm just gonna change the video settings just a bit and lower the bitrate all the way to 3000. 2.9 gigabytes is quite. Oh no. There we go. And then what did I want to do? There's no point, dog. Or no, we're gonna do it and yeah. Let's check it out. Let's check out this video. Come on. Yeah. Are you seeing this? That's crazy. Wait, is it gonna buffer again? You guys see how it was absolutely just killed? You see how the freaking it gets so it gets so pixelated. Not pixelated, what's it called? It loses all the quality. Still going. Still going, we're still going. I'm gonna completely fuck it up. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh fuck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god. This is amazing. So good. It's gonna do that. We're back, and boom, 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 and boom, and boom, and then boom, and then boom. That's not gonna do anything. Why is this so much fun? Okay, we gotta go. We gotta get back to it. We gotta get back to reading. Okay, finally, we're getting started. Yeah, fuck all that. It's gonna Haru slash S Zig. I'm gonna put in my password. It's gonna be the right password. And then boom. Boom. There we go. Zig. Are you kidding me? What the hell? Segmentation fault. Why are we getting a segmentation fault? Okay, that's fine, that's fine. Okay, we're gonna MK there, zig, test, zig, tomfoolery, zig init, return. Okay, we're just gonna go on the AUR and check it out. These zig, zig. What's zig up? Zig up, come on, zig up. Any zig, what's any zig? Segmentation fault when running zig binary large layoffs. Hmm. Is it this? No. Uh, Z shell special variables. Okay. Okay. 139. Zig error 139. Okay. Why? Does it need LLVM? Do I not have LLVM? We're gonna ask AI for help. I just installed Ziggy on Arch Linux. I'm so retarded. I have to use AI. I just installed Zig on Arch Linux. I just installed Zig on Arch Linux. It refuses to run, giving me segmentation fault. Right. Why does it think I'm on ARM? Fine, whatever. Wow. Yeah. Whoops. There we go. we're just gonna build it from Git. That's crazy. The big CPP. I think I'm done recording for today. And I'm done streaming for today too.